Derek McQueen, I'm the Managing Director here at Charters. We've got relationships with people that are very close with some of our customers that have been through generations of their family buying products from us.
I joined the business back in 2017 as a sales executive, selling cars, both new and used.
She became very quickly the top salesperson, and we came back as a sales manager, and really we haven't looked back, and she was awarded with a brand ambassador badge. We're lucky enough and very proud to have been awarded 5 Guild of Gold Lion awards, and that's for the top 20% of the dealers in the network for customer satisfaction. So we're chasing our 6th down to close to being one of the most decorated dealerships in the country. So we're very proud and pleased at that, and thank our customers really, because it's their feedback that gets us into that position.
Our sales team work hand in hand with our after sales department, which is also one of the busiest in the country. And they make sure that from the point of sale, each customer is looked after throughout their entire journey of ownership.
Nowadays, it's rare to see a family dealership over larger groups. This means we give a more personal experience. Customer service is at the heart of everything we do. The family dynamic runs through our staff and colleagues as much as it does our business, our customers.
It's one of those sort of places where you feel like you're a family, but not only just working here, but I like sort of the ethos of making the customers feel like they're part of the same family.
When you come to Charters as a customer or a colleague, you become part of the Charters family.